Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and check out this incredible paddleboard from Santasup.
If you want to go from your backpack to the water in just minutes, this is the paddleboard for you. The setup is so fast, and you get on the water and enjoying an adventure. It has a really great non slip deck and helps you feel stable right away. I have taken this out on the lake, even out on the ocean, and it has been so much fun. This board is not only beautiful, but it is stable and it comes with everything that you need from the pump to the paddle and the clip on fin, as well as a leash for your ankle so you don't lose it when you inevitably fall off. It is so much fun, and I have loved every single second of being on this board on the water.
I've been having the greatest adventures, and it's all thanks to this paddleboard. I highly recommend getting one for yourself, and that's my point of view.